so they poured this yesterday, so it's obviously good for me to walk on it today. This is the salt that they use to make the little pock marks in the concrete. So what we're gonna do is go to each section and sweep towards the middle of each section with a broom and a dustpan. Soft broom, soft dustpan. And then I got a garbage bag. And I'm gonna pile it first, and then I'm gonna go around and scoop it up into the bag. Then I'm gonna grab the homeowner's garden hose and wet it down. All right, so we swept up each section into little piles. As you can see, the homeowner is nice enough to help me hold the bag there, and I'm putting with a soft dustpan, soft broom, picking up that salt, putting it in the bag, and we're gonna take that bag with us, okay? So you'll stay tuned for the next. Now I got the garden hose.
It's on jet.
It's on jet.
You want it on that?
That might be a little firm. I'll put it on a little lower. Let's go with just a shower.
Shower?
There you go.
Or angle?
Shower's good. All right, and we're just gonna wet it down from top to bottom and try to push that salt down. As you can imagine, you're not gonna be able to get all the salt. The goal is just get the bulk of it and clean it for the homeowners so they have a nice experience. Right on. There we go. All right, now the finished product. Looks much, much nicer. There is a little bit of salt left, as you can see. But the homeowner has already been explained that takes a little bit of time and they'll come right out. Reliable home improvement out here in Citrus Heights.